Quick look at what an electrician earns in Guinea-Bissau. On average, an electrician in Guinea-Bissau earns around $1,730 a year. That is the average electrician salary in Guinea-Bissau before tax. But tax takes a share, so after tax, it drops to $1,470. That brings home about $123 a month. While that is the nationwide baseline, workers in Bissau earn more, with take-home pay reaching $1,740 in the capital. That is a noticeable gap, but living outside Bissau costs less, which is why rural electrician wages can still stretch surprisingly far. Starting out, your electrician income sits well below this average, though pay goes up quickly as you gain skills. To move past a plateau, you'll need higher qualifications, because a degree helps you advance into a chief electrician or project manager role. On top of that, international employers pay substantially higher than small local firms, so getting into bigger companies makes a huge difference in how much an electrician makes in Guinea-Bissau. The average electrician pay really depends on who you work for.